Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Beach Club Villas where we are staying in a one-bedroom villa. This villa is really unique because it sleeps up to 4 adults, but the studio actually sleeps up to 5.
Yeah, it's a little bit backwards from what you normally find, where
Yeah.
the one bedroom sleeps a few more than the studio. But anyway, we still have a full kitchen, and we've got a great view here in this room, so we're really excited to show it to you.
Let's check it out.
So just inside the door to the right here, we have another door that would lead to the studio next door. If you had a 2-bedroom lock-off, they would use that. And then directly in front of the door, we've got a little table there and a mirror. And then heading into the room, we first come into the kind of dining room area. We've got a little bench here, and looks like housekeeping left us a little Mickey head there on the table with the plates. And there are no chairs here on the dining room table side of things because they are at the bar on the other side of the kitchen. We'll show you those in just a second. We've got a kitchen over here, and this is a full kitchen. It's got the full-size fridge and freezer. We've got the range with the oven down below. We also have a microwave. We've got a toaster. We've got a full-size coffee maker, and of course in the cabinets, they are fully stocked with everything you need, from dishes like plates and bowls and cups to cookware, pots and pans, things like that. It is a fully stocked kitchen. On the other side of the kitchen counter here, we have a little bar where you'll find a couple chairs you can use there or at the table. And if you look down underneath, we do have our little hidden Mickey right underneath the bar there. The only ones we were able to find here in this room. Over there under the large flat screen TV on the wall, we've got a dresser, and there's just some storage space in there for those who may be staying in the living room area, as well as some USB outlets and wall outlets built into the top. And then behind me we have a couch. This couch does pull out into a queen size bed, so you've got 2 people sleeping in here in the living room area, and then of course the master bedroom, which we'll show you shortly. And this coffee table does have a couple drawers built into it as well on this side. Now up here on the wall, there's a few pieces of art that we looked really closely trying to find some hidden Mickeys. We weren't able to find any, but I think that maybe there's supposed to be one here in this shell down at the bottom. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks like maybe there's a half of a hidden Mickey right in the center there, but they cut it off with the mat on the frame, so hard to tell. And then right over here we have these doors that lead us out onto our balcony. We have a beautiful view here and a really big balcony in this room. So this balcony has a couple chairs and a table on this side, as well as a couple more on the other side. Now that is our master bedroom over there, so we've got a second door going into the master. We've got a great view of the pool. This is one of the quiet pools here at Beach Club. It's the only one here on the Beach Club Villas side of things. And of course we have like kind of a nature view over here to the right. So a really, really nice view from the room here. Now we'll head over into the master. So on the way to the master, we have the closet right here where you'll find the stackable washer dryer, and you do have one of those in every 1-bedroom and larger villa. And then we have the bathroom here. This is a shared bathroom from the master to the rest of the room. You can see behind the main door right here, we've got a second door that leads you through to the master bathroom. So it is shared here in the bathroom area. We've got a very, very large walk-in shower here, a lot bigger than some of the other rooms that we've seen. You've got the single shower head on the wall, no detachable shower heads, but they do have those individual shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then our vanity in here is a little bit on the small side. It's got some storage down below, but not a lot of counter space up top because the sink kind of takes up most of your space there. There is a small little shelf right there, but not a ton of room to kind of spread out in here. And then this little door right here is going to lead you to the room with the toilet and a few towels on the wall. So all your towels are in here. So we're going to go through this door into the master. And you can see in the master we've got a huge tub in here. Now this is not a jetted tub, it is just a soaking tub. You can see there's no jets there in the bottom, but it is a really big, really nice tub. And then we have a single vanity over here. little bit of an odd shape to the countertop, but we do have a decent amount of counter space up there and some cubbies and shelves down below. So you've got some storage space there. Still not a ton of room in either one of these bathrooms as far as counter space. And then your closet over here, we've got the door to it. It's just a little walk-in closet where you'll find your vacuum cleaner. Your iron and ironing board are hiding back in here as well. And you have your safe built into the wall. Now in the master bedroom, we've got a dresser and a little bench over here on this side underneath the mirror on the wall, as well as that flat screen TV. And of course the dresser does have those USB outlets built into it as well. And then the bed in here is a king size bed. So they've got the king bed here in the room with the nightstand on one side. Of course, more of those USB outlets built into the nightstand. And on the other side, they don't have a nightstand. They've given us a desk. So we've got a desk over here, more of those USB outlets built into the desk. And what I almost want to say are hidden Mickeys, but they're just not quite there. It's almost the right proportions, but hard to say that's a hidden Mickey. It's really close. It's 3 circles, so we'll let you decide. And then we do have a little lamp and a chair here in the corner. And then this balcony is the shared balcony we saw from the living room, where you can kind of see out over the pool. Really, really great balcony here and great view. And we'll go check out the living room and see the bed when it's pulled out. Now the bed pulled out in here, you can see, starts to take up a lot of room in the living room. There's still some space to get around, but especially with the little bar there, kind of gets really tight coming through here. So something to keep in mind if you're not actively using the bed, you'll probably want to keep it folded up. But that is going to conclude our tour here of this 1-bedroom villa at Beach Club Villas.
We hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you know when we have even more videos on here.
And if you'd like more information about this resort or any of the other resorts at Walt Disney World, you can head over to our website, herewiththeears.com. There's a link to that in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.